Welcome to the E-Blox virtual room. My name is Jim Seymour. I'm one of the co-founders of E-Blox. And in this session, we're going to tell you all the cool things that you can build with our E-Blox Story Blox product line. Now, our Story Blox product line actually uses our Power Blox line technology in order to build circuits into your structures that make them light up. In the sets, you get a battery module. This is the battery module that those terminals there are connected to the battery inside. And then you get some parts that look like this that have LEDs in them, and they're designed so when they go across there, they light up. And then you also get some parts like this that are plated in tin. That's why they're shiny. But tin also makes them conductive, so they can actually carry the power from those battery terminals to wherever you want to put your LED. Okay, and you can put more of them on. Some of them flash. This one actually changes color over time, as you can see there. Oops, I'll get another one out of my pocket. There we go. Okay, so you're actually building circuits, and all of these parts are directly compatible with your Lego and other common brick structure brands. Okay, so you can integrate them directly into your brick sets. So now, with that, I'm going to talk about, we have 3 Story Blox sets. Okay, each Story Blox set, this one is our first one called the Island, comes with a story book that has a cool adventure story, okay, where the characters in the story visit different places and experience different objects and characters. And as you're reading, you come to the objects or characters and then you build them using the assembly book, okay, that comes with the set. And all of the structures, as you can see here, you build, and they all use the Power Blox technology to light up. As well as you're reading and building, then there are QR codes that take you to educational sites that teach you about the cool things that you built. So for instance, in the story, the island here, the main characters in it, Seymour, sees a island with some flashing lights that actually indicate some dangers going on. So he gets in his boat with his dog, Glenn, and so you build the boat and the dog. And as he's over there, he actually experiences a potbelly seahorse, and that's another thing that you build. And, you know, I won't ruin the story, but that's how it gets started in the island. Our second story is the city. In this story, Seymour, again with his buddies, is woken up in the middle of the night by his supercomputer, which says that there's some danger happening in the city. It turns out when he goes to this bridge, he finds that there's some corrosion occurring at the bottom of it. And as he was traveling there, he sees this clock tower, which makes him reminisce about being in this city. And he also notices a factory that's providing pollution that's leading to some of the issues with the corrosion on the bridge. Our third story is the cave. In this story, Seymour sees some lights coming from a mountain that actually has a volcano erupting on top of it. He goes to that mountain and finds the entrance to a cave. And inside the cave, he finds some flowers, they're rare flowers, that actually grow with a minimal amount of light. And he actually falls asleep in the cave and starts to dream about the ancient animals that grew up around this area, in particular the T-Rex. So each of these, as you can see, has a really cool adventure story, and all the same characters you get to know in the story, and then build all the characters and objects in the story. So hope you enjoyed that. That's our Story Blox product line. Make sure to visit our website at www.myeblox.com to see all the fun. So don't miss out on E-Blox, fun and learning.